Let's solve one more question. Find the value of, and the first part is cos of cot inverse 15 upon 8. And the second part is find the value of cos of cosecant inverse 13 upon 12. So first let's find the value of cos of cot inverse 15 upon 8. Now cot inverse 15 upon 8 means this is an angle in some right angle triangle in which the ratio of base to the perpendicular is equal to 15 upon 8. Let's draw a right angle triangle. Now in this right angle triangle, if the value of base is 15, then the value of perpendicular will be 8 units. So now in this right angle triangle, the perpendicular is equal to 8 units and the base is equal to 15 units. So let's first convert cot inverse 15 upon 8 into some angular representation of cos inverse function. And for that, we shall have to find the value of cos theta for the given angle theta in this right angle triangle. Now cos theta is a ratio of base and the hypotenuse. And now in given right angle triangle, the value of base is equal to 15. But we don't have the value of hypotenuse. And you know it very well that in a right angle triangle, as per the Pythagoras theorem, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of the base and the perpendicular. So in this case, the square of hypotenuse or h square is equal to 8 square plus 15 square, or you can write 64 plus 225, which is equal to 289. So now h square is equal to 289. So h is equal to the square root of 289, which is 70. That means hypotenuse is equal to 17 unit. So now what will be the value of cos theta? And cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse or 15 upon 17. And if cos theta is equal to 15 upon 17, then theta is equal to cos inverse 15 upon 17. And note that this angle theta is the same as cot inverse 15 upon 8. So that means in place of cot inverse 15 upon 8, we can also write cos inverse 15 upon 17. So the expression cos of cot inverse 15 upon 8 now becomes cos of cos inverse 15 upon 17. And remember, as per the properties of cos inverse functions, the cos of cos inverse x is equal to x for all x which lie in the range -1 to 1. And 15 upon 17 is well within this range. So that means cos of cos inverse 15 upon 17 is equal to 15 upon 17. And that means cos of cot inverse 15 upon 8 is equal to 15 upon 17. And now let's solve the second part. Now here we have to find the value of cos of cosecant inverse 13 upon 12. First we shall convert cosecant inverse form into some cos inverse form so that we can apply the property as per which cos of cos inverse x is equal to x. So let's again draw a right angle triangle. And now in this given right angle triangle, the angle theta is such that cosecant theta is equal to 13 upon 12. And now cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So that means in this right angle triangle, if hypotenuse is equal to 13 units, then the value of perpendicular is equal to 12 units. Now what will be the value of cos theta in the given right angle triangle? Now cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Now hypotenuse is 13 unit, but we don't have the value of base with us. So let's again use the Pythagoras theorem, as per which the square of base is equal to the difference of squares of hypotenuse and the perpendicular. So that means the base is equal to the square root of 13 square minus 12 square, which is equal to the square root of 169 minus 144, which is equal to the square root of 25, and that is equal to 5 units. So that means in this right angle triangle, the value of base is 5 units. And that means cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, or 5 upon 13. And now cos theta is equal to 5 upon 13. So that means theta is equal to cos inverse 5 upon 13. And this theta is the same angle for which the cosecant theta is equal to 13 upon 12. So that means cosecant inverse 13 upon 12 is equal to cos inverse 5 upon 13. So now our expression cos of cosecant inverse 13 upon 12 can be also written as cos of cos inverse 5 upon 13. And as per the properties of cos inverse function, the cos of cos inverse x is equal to x for all x which lie in the range -1 to 1. And again, 5 upon 13 lies in the interval -1 to 1. So that means cos of cos inverse 5 upon 13 is equal to 5 upon 13. And that means cos of cosecant inverse 13 upon 12 is equal to 5 upon 13.